Hi guys, I'm back with another quick, easy, and delicious recipe. This one was inspired by the Golden Balance. It's a modified version of his healthy chicken nuggets. So let's get started. For ingredients, you'll need 1 pound of chicken breast cut up in bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll need some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and breadcrumbs. All right, this one's gonna be quick. Let's marinate. All right, first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just to get the chicken nice and moist so the spices stick to it. Okay, just give that a little mix. As for the spices, we're adding in half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now that this is all in, all the spices, I'm just going to go ahead and mix those all together so they're all sticking to the chicken now. Okay, once you've mixed that all in well, last thing you want to do is add in 1 cup of breadcrumbs. You can add more or less. The point of the breadcrumbs is just to coat all of the chicken to give it that nice crispy outer shell. So there's my cup of breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add, now we're just gonna mix this all really well together. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Don't worry, they're clean. And then once they're all coated nicely, that's it. We're done with the marination, and now moving on to cooking this and how that's done, which is also just as easy as this. Okay, so to cook this, you can either bake it in your conventional oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can use an air fryer, again at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to be baking this for 12 minutes in total, and we're going to flip at the 6-minute mark. So the halfway mark, you want to open it up and just flip them to the other side just to get an even cook. So I'm going to go ahead and pop mine into my air fryer. Okay, so they're in there now. Just going to go ahead and put this in, and we're going to set the time to 12 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and start that, and we'll check back in at the 6-minute mark. All right, so we're at the halfway mark. Just going to give you a quick look. As you can see, they're cooking well, but just to make sure everything cooks evenly, we're going to flip these around and do another 6 minutes. All right, so the 12 minutes are up, and this is our final product. Let's go ahead and break this open. Look how nice and juicy that is on the inside, and it's so nice and crispy on the outside. All right, taste test time. So good, so flavorful. As I said, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. I like to pair this with some coleslaw, plum sauce, or ketchup. You can top it on your pasta. Honestly, you can enjoy it in any way that you like. It's an easy, quick recipe, and I'm sure everyone in your family will love it. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think, and bye.